GoodBudget Budgeting App Review, Usage Experience. Links to the GoodBudget app are added to the description below. GoodBudget is a popular budgeting app based on the envelope budgeting method, designed to help users manage their money by dividing it into virtual envelopes for different spending categories. This system is ideal for individuals or couples who prefer a proactive, hands-on approach to budgeting, as it forces you to plan your spending before the money is spent. Unlike some modern apps that automatically sync with bank accounts, GoodBudget requires users to manually enter income and expenses, which makes it perfect for those who want to stay highly engaged with their finances and have full visibility into where every dollar goes. The app allows you to set up envelopes for categories like rent, groceries, entertainment, and savings. Then allocate your income into these envelopes. As you spend, you deduct amounts from each envelope, helping you stay within your planned limits. GoodBudget supports both individual and shared household budgets, meaning partners can work together on the same budget from different devices. This makes it especially helpful for couples or families managing joint expenses. One of the app's standout features is its clean visual layout, with clear charts and progress bars showing how much money is left in each envelope. This makes it easy to see at a glance whether you're on track or overspending in certain areas. GoodBudget also includes debt tracking tools, allowing users to allocate envelopes specifically for debt payments and track progress toward becoming debt-free. GoodBudget offers both a free and premium version. The free version supports up to 20 envelopes and works on 2 devices, which is enough for many users. The paid version allows unlimited envelopes, more device connections, and additional tracking options for long-term goals. Security is also solid, with data encryption and reliable syncing across devices. Overall, GoodBudget is a great choice for people who want a simple, envelope-based system to plan spending, especially if you prefer manual control instead of automatic account syncing. It's well-suited for individuals, couples, and families who want to work collaboratively on a budget. Check the links in the description if you want to try it out for yourself.